Hello, Gray Man Prepping. Time for another session of exercising. I weighed myself. I'm down to 195, no, 185. Not one, yeah, 185. So I got at least 25 pounds to go because I'm actually putting on muscle as I'm taking off fat. So, and what I got on my tummy here, I'm going to get at least 25 pounds off to get rid of it. All right. So last night we had we talked about carbon dioxide on the Survival Saturday. If you missed it, go back, check it out. I think it was pretty informative, even though neither of the doctors were able to make it in last night. But with the help from the side chat, we got a lot of good information out there. So check it out. Right now, I'm going to exercise. Okay, did over 45 minutes on the Gazelle. 310 calories on the counter. On the weight bench, I did a sort of a sprint on it. I did 20 reps of the things I did, except for sit-ups. I did 15, but I did it as fast as I could do it without the thing bouncing all over the place. All right. Your prep for today. And I forgot what it was I was going to do. Whew. All right. Backup power. Do you have a generator? Do you have a power station, which is sometimes erroneously called a solar generator? It doesn't generate power at all. It stores power. It's a battery bank. So do you have a power station, generator, solar panels, whatever it's going to take to get you power to get through a power outage? All right, check into it. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill for February. And then a new one for March. And try to plant something, get it growing. I just added a 30-gallon planter, and I brought in 3 more of those silverware dirty dish totes. They're about 4.5 gallons each. So I'm going to be adding those to my indoor garden. All right, get prepped up for this winter.